So hey, there's a song out there that says you can't buy happiness, but you can buy dirt. So I'm going to say big amen to that because it's so true. You cannot buy happiness, but you can certainly buy dirt. You can buy some seeds. So I encourage everyone to get out there to buy some dirt, to experience the happiness, to buy some seeds, and to plant, to watch some things grow. It's a great opportunity too to be able to show your kids how things grow and how food comes from where it really comes from, right? Not just from the stores, but actually from hardworking people. So for all of our farmers and our homesteaders and stuff like that. So if you can use that opportunity to buy some bean seeds, some pole beans, they grow so quick. It makes it really nice to show them how things can grow. Then they can harvest the beans really quick. And you can use that opportunity to talk about God and how God created the dirt. He created the seeds, and you can talk to them about how He, gives them sunshine and water, and then they grow, and they grow. That's our fuel, right? Food is our fuel, and God provides that for us. So it's a great opportunity to be able to do that. Then you can also save those seeds. So if you buy heirloom seeds, you can dry out some of the pods and save those beans for next year, and then you never have to buy those again. And so maybe you don't have to buy dirt every year or seeds every year, but you can kind of learn how to do some of that. So it's a great opportunity. So I hope that you go out there, don't buy happiness and buy dirt. God bless.